welcome back to my channel. My name is Zara. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing this baby. Oops. Yes, it's Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Just to share with you guys, I am a huge beauty and skincare enthusiast. So whenever I try new product and if I get good results, then I like to share it with you guys. If you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start the video. So beauties, let's start with the good things about this serum. I had purchased this serum from Nykaa and had been using it from last 1 month and have mixed opinions about this serum. Actually, this product is highly affordable, hence I wanted to try it out of curiosity. This product claims to have vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is very important ingredient for skincare. It has antioxidant properties which helps to reduce dark spot, pigmentation, it brightens our skin, it nourishes skin, it moisturizes skin. In one line you can say that it improves overall quality of your skin. You must include vitamin C in your daily skincare routine. So guys, let's talk about its packaging. This is how the outer package looks. And here it's written, it comes with yuzu lemon. I don't know you guys can able to see it properly or not, but yes, it comes with yuzu lemon and 30 times more vitamin C. Okay, and if I'll open this package, so your product will be in glass bottle like this along with dropper, and this is your product. So the packaging is just like any other serum which we get in market. This is 30 ml bottle and its price is 499 rupees. The star ingredient of this serum is yuzu lemon. Yuzu lemon originated in China 1000 years ago and now grows in Japan, Korea and other part of the world. Yuzu lemon has a powerful antioxidant properties which brighten skin. The serum is lightweight and not heavy on skin. It absorbs quickly. I'll just show you. So for that, I'll just take one drop of it on my skin and I'll just rub it gently. But if you are applying it on face, then you have to dab it. Okay, so you need to dab it. Here I am rubbing it because I wanted to show you that it absorbs quickly. So see, this is serum and I'll just rub it gently. It has citrusy fragrance, not overpowering. Now let's talk about its cons. Normally, other vitamin C serums have 20 to 25% vitamin C in it. I don't think so this 30x thing is real for this serum. Con number 2. The bottle is transparent. As you know, vitamin C is photosensitive, hence it should have been in tinted bottle. If you are purchasing it, then don't throw this cardboard package and keep bottle inside after each use. After watching its reviews, I have started using it and it did lighten my spots but no glow. I might be wrong, but I am using their face mask also and I feel that the serum which they are using in their face mask is the same serum in this bottle. So guys, if you are looking for a serum just to hydrate and nourish your skin, then you can probably purchase this product. And last but not in the list, it claims that you will get instant glow within 3 days, but trust me guys, any skincare products needs minimum 7 days to show its result. Okay. So guys, that's pretty much it for my review. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and press bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Until then, see you soon. Be safe. Bye bye.